Hello, Matthew Jeschke here. I'm a real estate agent in Sahuarita, Arizona. All right, so those are not my credentials. That's a color calibration card. It allows me to match up multiple lighting conditions and cameras so it looks like it was all shot together. I would like to know, do you really appreciate what I'm putting together? Give me a big fat thumbs up below this video and let me know you do. Additionally, I am waiting for your comments. These are not just videos, it's a conversation. So I've left a place below the video where you can ask any questions or follow up with your compliments. So we're really fortunate to see a plan 1395 in this condition. The owner is a relocating customs agent, and his buddies in the Border Patrol went ahead and helped him with some timeless upgrades. So what are timeless upgrades? These are things that are desirable in any marketplace, such as the hard surface flooring in the common areas, the cabinetry hardware, the light fixtures and ceiling fans. People want these things in any market. So whether you're looking to buy or sell in a few months, you need to consider a few timeless upgrades.